guys, I just finished waxing. But guys, umuntu ongwexayo uyahamba and sekumele ngirevile futhi komunye umuntu mina. No, I'm not doing that. Morning, my shawmies. It's been a while, but hi guys. Let's go to work. Actually, we'll talk properly. Let's go to our car. Today we are driving a Suzuki Across. Let's go. Good morning, my shawmies, my shawmy. Guys, we have a sunroof. I am so excited. I'm so happy, guys. I'm driving the Suzuki Across. I'm sure if you follow me, of course you follow me, of course. But on my thingy, wait, bengi travel moto with Somani, and basic driver, the normal one, Suzuki Across, but the normal one. Right now, I am driving it top of the range, Tagabao, in Kankazeng sunroof. Hey, ngicela ukuthi makuzodlula imoto eceleni kwami ithi boo 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 ukuthi nje ngisakwazi there's a car on your blind spot. Ngiyayithanda down. So I'm driving a Suzuki Baleno. Guys, I was still greeting you. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Azande Wagamadlala, and welcome to a new vlog. If you are new here, welcome to the family, and you are now a Shami. Yes, please stay. And if you are a returning subscriber, guys, I'm so happy and excited. Like, I was supposed to bring my mics actually, but I didn't. It's fine. I hope ngizwakala. Yes, I'm up my mails. Guys, I understand. Guys, my car is very small. So, drive kwami imoto enkulu kanjena nje mina kuyangijabulisa. Ukuthi izohlala isikhathi ngingana it doesn't matter. I hope izohlala August wonke yazi. Ngiyayithanda. So, yeah, I'm really enjoying this car, guys. If you guys are low, I drive from work. I went to my boyfriend's place to pick up my clothes, and then ngayendlini ilo conch ngiyayiphinda namhlanje ngazothi cha kanti ifika ngivideo call ekhaya kwi group chat sasekhaya ngaba video call ngavula sunroof bathi hayibo imoto yakho sine sunroof ngathi ngangiconfirm angeke ungiconfirm yo guys ngijabule ngijabule. So yona imoto esihamba ngayo le siye kusho kadanya, but okwamanje I'm on my way to work ngine client ngenza ama bohologs extended length. It shouldn't take me that long. Shouldn't. So mangabe ngiqeda ukuwenza ikhanda, I have to go to Amu bronzed studio. You're going to make up yami. After logo, I have a shoot with Ulihle, Eagle Photograph, I think. Yeah, Eagle Photograph. Yes. Then I have to do a real nyana, sabu pictures if we can, but I need a real more than pictures. And then after logo, siyagwi show gadanya, yabo. So ukudla nani sizokupintsha in between. I don't even know what we're gonna eat. Sizobona. So izolo athi ngikhuluma nama girls ukuthi okay, so I was saying izolo besikhuluma nje salon ukuthi siye salon and siye kwishow kaDanya and the girls were like we also want to go to the show, we are going to buy the tickets. So ama girls athengile i-ticket, ama girls angisebenzelayo, so bathengile ama-ticket, so siya sonke kwishow, and especially because we have 2 cars, this one and my car, so nje sizodwala imoto then mhlawumbe siye kwishow sibuye ngaleso sikhathi sobuya ngaso. So kuzobe imina noMbuso uNoni sibangaki imini noMbuso uNoni uThando, ama girls are 5, uma dingenisa 1 2 3 4 5. Oh, we are fine. Yo ngizoba yini kugcwele yo mama we. I really love this car. I wanna buy an SUV from Suzuki. Bengithanda ifront okudlula le, but like yasho man ukuthi inja yabo imoto yakhiwe after front, so imnandi okudlula ifront le moto le, but in terms of shape thanda ifront kodwa kuba cool, kuba comfortable, izinto abayifakile. I love this one. But let's do the engine, what turbo 1.7 liter, I don't know. As long as kuyimoto ku automatic ikwazi ukugijima inhle ne interior enhle, ngikwazi ukconnecta, ngikwazi ukwenza CarPlay, connect to CarPlay, yabo. Yeah, that's all I want from a car. Good speakers, I forgot to mention that. So with this one, if udlala ingoma uconnecte uBluetooth, I think ukhala kule speakers la kuphela, but if ufake uCarPlay zonke pika mzozo yabo. Yeah, I love this car and I'm so excited. Guys, bengikuphi bengikhona ngilibele ngigomna guys. Bengavlog ishe mina ngixolele bengavlogi because number 1 bengina content, number 2 I don't think I was okay, like I was in a mood for vlog, like I wouldn't say I was not okay, but I was just down, demotivated. So I think sengitshela kaningi about indaba yami salon shembandla. I have to move out guys, and I'm struggling ukuthola enye salon. I'm struggling, and ilize yami yaphela end of October, so ngisalele no 3 months, August, September, October yabo. So we can just say 2 months ongisalele into yabona ngayithola nje salon. I'm going to move out immediately, sign lease ukuthi nginama lease out 2, it doesn't matter, then ngiqale ngibe ngimova ngibe ngifake izinto ezintsha because ngifuna ukwenza i-salon makeover, because I'm changing the mirrors, I'm a design, ngifuna nje i-luxury salon ngiyifuna shem. Kodwa amandla athini, amandla entombazaneni athini, athi wow lol, we'll see. But shem ngisavile, yazi ngizamile ukusave le mali ngisavile, kodwa I'm realizing ukuthi incane yabo, because there's double or what triple deposit. I have to buy mirrors, I have to pay abantu abazobe behlukanile, be divided, because like maybe I'll get a huge room, then I have to divide it nje yonke leyo nto leyo yabo. So I need 150,000. That's a lot of money. Ngayithatha 150,000. Yeah, so ngisavile guys, it's gonna be a series. The minutes just thola indawo entsha ngiyan-update ngayo yonke into yabo. Siqala lo series so right phela sokhuluma sesifike esendini mangabika nami sizobika esendini. Baba yini singenjoy nje music kancane. Yeah, I'll see you. Bye, I'll see you. I'm just gonna enjoy the music, and by just ngiyahlanya ngikhuluma ngedwa. Esiyazama bafethu, ziyazama. What a huge car, so nice, the seats. I love it. Lova ngelo useyibhedi nedonhula kasaydeshi unamehle chani west flat bathi es yakho istashetheke vele ngiyisniper ngidlula ngekhanda ngiphanado. I've been killing shit ngisezimbabwe kwabulawayo. Phethe intombi emhlophe njengopawuda kaPablo. Maduze ngizobe ngidrayive iLamborghini umhlumayo. Ingane sikhona security masifika ngeke singacollective. Your baby gone already. Usebhasini eBig City. Ubukuphi, 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 where were you? Ubukuphi, 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 where were you? So guys, lang ngiphethe i-uniform ese-salon kade ngiyowashwa and I'm wearing my Crocs as usual.
Iwikala fela umnikazalo kodwa mina ngathi ngizwalela abazali ijoko uthi iwikala fela umnikazalo kodwa mina ngathi ngizwalela abazali ijoko kanjani besaphila iyo lento ngibalekise ekhaya ngabo.
Hi guys, ninjani? Guys, Shem, sorry azange sesikhulume but sengenzile makeup Shem bandla yo. I love my makeup but ngistress ukuthi ilanga seliyashona and kusamele sishuthe le video leni. Then after lokho samse salon siyopick up ngumuntu esihamba naye bese sihamba sakwishow. I really love my makeup and my outfits. So zama indlela ukuthi ngithethe outfit yami ukuthi njengoba manje ngisane stress esincane then I'll be back. Azange ngishuthe Shem ngikhohle ukuvlogga manje. Kodwa into etheni sihambile siphume emsebenzini sayaka amu senze makeup. Njengamanje sisazama ulungisa indaba yokushutha. Yeah. Okay guys, othi ngizama ukunikhombisa i-outfit yami dressed by Umvubu. Ngizomtheka. Ngizofaka page like emot. Okay.
Balekise ekhaya uthi iwikala fela umnikazalo kodwa mina ngathi ngizwalela abazali ijoko kanjani besaphila.
Ngibona na ngoba uthanda ukungibona. Amakhaza azobengena ngesifuba. Yo. Okay. Yes, buka ama-gloves akho buka. Sase samasho singaplaneli angebe sikhona. Ngeke sikhona ukuthi asiplananga.
Bazonikholwa na ivideo.
Ngeke bekholwe. Mina yeah, oh matchy. But you look good. I've never seen this. Uyishintshile leya? Le red. Okay, ungakhulumi. Thulake.
Hey amakhaza.
So le uyithathe phi? That's why ngaqoma. Be out. Bye boss ngiyashutha ke. Sharp. Cabanga. Never mind. Oh, ngikhombise ngithe okay. Yo. Okay.
I always knew ukuthi ungowami ever since ngisabelethiwe ngizowadla nawe amabhonasi makuphela inyanga sengiholile lethami ngijola nosiphukazi angizange ngithole into enonile manje kufika wena wentokazi obheka i-ex yami sengiyikhohliwe angiphathi masudansa ifika yakho ngathi uphuma eJamaica.
Hi guys, sesiqedile ukushutha. I can't wait to see the pictures on the reel. At least contains guys. So sikhona ngishutha imoto, but sishuthe senze ithombe. You guys will see the pictures on Instagram. Njengamanje ngithenge sizothenga ama hot wing snack. Guys, let me tell you something. I hot wing snack iphuma nama wings awu4 nama chips. Ewu30 rand. Kodwa mawuthenga ama wings awu12. Imali ebizayo angazi ukuthi ngichaza kanjani, but lento ngikhumbula eVarsity. Ewu30 rand hot wing snack namanje. Oh damn. That's beautiful. I love chicken bacon. Mwah. So sithenga ama wings awu4 just ukuthi nje si-snack kube content ezothe emlomeni, and then siya ku event. So sithenge 9 because it's about 9. Ngihamba noChomi uzonibingelela naye manje.
Hi guys, sisaya kwishow kamuntu kamngani wami.
And asiyenza ngo-OTD. 6 plus 4.
6 plus 4.
6 plus 3. Thank you. Let's go. Let's hit the road. Wamama thighs. Akusiyabonga. Thank you. Ciao. Let's go.
Manje.
Guys, we're about to leave. So my friend will be driving my car and I'll be driving this one. Yeah, we're finding hi, cool mom. Msana uKorafa mathando nolazi. Na Orafa lapha emuva.
Guys, I'm taking over Azan as well.
So Kulum.
Hello guys.
Hello. Hi, Darian. So I'm taking over the vlog. Sabona number.
Yes, I did. Let me just do it again.
Nah, la.
Order for Danya? Is it over? Or are we over?
Oh, Tanda, thank you.
It's not
by it. Why not share, Chief? What are you doing with your life? I'm joking now.
Ngihlupha kancane. So, hi to the vlog.
So you're vlogging now, big homie? She's a vlogger now.
Yeah.
That's it. Oh, this one's there, bro. They're from Sheen, bro.
That was what
For sure, I'm gonna send you a link. I'm gonna plug you. I'm gonna get them, bro. They're very cheap, but they're very nice.
Won't.
Not okay, but this one specific. I thought you asked me about this one. This one specific, for sure. So, from Sheen, I'm gonna send you a link. You're gonna get them. I need to see you, but you look taller each and every day, bro. It's like you're going out.
Cool. Let's see. Man, this is young.
There's no way. How old are you? There's no fucking way.
How old are you?
That's really nice of you.
I'm done. I'm working. I'm doing my internship.
Really? I'll shut up. Don't you look young? I thought you nice school or something.
But I must think up.
Definitely gonna think of no, it's the schedule way, but it's the one,
Just work out.
Enjoy yourself, though. Yeah. Let's have a great time.
Azande's vlog. Shout out to my sister's vlog.
Let's see who else.
Already. just enjoy the music, have fun, make memories.
guys, we've come to the end of our vlog. The show was so nice, guys. You also enjoyed it. Everything was nice, lit, everything, you name it. But man, just say long, just say Simela, cause waiting for Tando's Uber night. Then some social ama girls, Alex abanye requested, and then no say Hambin. Yeah, let's go. I'm so tired, honestly, but I'm fun keeping my calm. Morning, guys. Oh, morning. Good morning. How are you? Yeah, so yesterday we went to my men's show. Sabuya go 4 a.m. landlini. Salala, savuka, sasebenza kancane salala. So njengoba manje sesivukile kodwa mina safuna image yokugcina. Just need an hour yokuthi lapho ke asiphuzi nokuphuza kodwa sikhathele ibhadi. Guys, the show was amazing. Amazing down. So I'm making tea for me and my bestie. We're drinking tea. Yona nto yokuqala ezongena emlomeni yethu namhlanje le isikakadli, and she bought us pita. Can you guys guess the flavor? I feel like pizza sasidla into eyodwa and mina I'm going back to trying amanye ama pizza, guys. Alright, siyabo. Khona ngayidla no tomatoes. Ngayidla I don't know. Ngayidla pizza no tomatoes and it was nice. Ish kama ngisawudla ushukela, guys. Ish ngisawudla ushukela. Ngikhathele. I love adding syrup with tea. Oh yeah, guys, izolo sezela pisi nkabuzami amaqwela sekola cabra olofai odolphin. Woo! Khona ngoba kadanye ethi ngazi ngophi no dolphin olo. It's ngavela ngoma leyo, but there's a song udanya acula ngo-dolphin olu kuyona. And then there's another one athi siqomisa iphimbo la cabra. I'm so obsessed with ula cabra kulezi insuku. So sad. All thanks to Udanya. Actually, not all thanks to Udanya. Like ula cabra ngoba ngithanda ingoma ethi sezela pisi nkabuzami, and I happen to love his verse kakhulu. Obviously the chorus is very nice, like the whole song is nice, but I love La Cabra's verse. I love La Cabra. Then I'm having check and it's, oh man, this boy is so cool. Like he's so cool. I love him. Like but I just like La Cabra more. Then how La Cabra. You see what Danya? This is La Cabra. Yes, and I'm so happy to see. And you cause along with La Cabra, and you get it. Good to see Ngoma and say Pimble La Cabra. Ooh, okay. Yeah. Young bitches. Sometimes. Yeah, get in. Acha with pizza. Guys, in the energy, me nangaze. Okay. I add this milk. Oh my god. How what's it show? So that gezil. Mina should some very gakes. Gezile me. Gezile. Nangthanda ubisola amanzi ucho mthanda ubisola imvubu. Hola cabra. Yo. Manyala. Yo, what's in your yeah, guys, so namhlanje we're not doing anything nje kahle, but later let's pay Sunday goes, yeah. So guys, I think if vlog guesses or we're gonna try these biscuits, the famous biscuits. We're gonna try them on TikTok. So So stay tuned. So I try and just send energy. Like is evening. So I try so because I'm obviously and then send a review. So I think Essence and City. Yeah. But it's staying in the middle of nowhere. This is Red Velvet and this is Peppermint Crisp. Yes. Name of the store. Monbo. What? Yes. I think we plan to take but you are not question. Perfect. This is the last one, lady. Why guys are go plap? Why guys are go? Hi guys. Oh damn, you can't even add something hot on a pita because let's just open the pizza together. It smells nice and I'm so hungry, yo. So guys, I'm just gonna warm 4 slices. Amen.
Is that Olala, right?
Yeah, Hibu. Min.
That food. Whoever is cutting.
Yeah, I think I could write something and try this because we don't talk about this clinic.
Exactly. Please, I'm not telling you how. Sit down.
Married at first sight. See.
It for me.
Yes,
Today.
Yes,
Today.
Ngazi ngobe ama slices 2 ngazi
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay.
Bye.